Yes, good morning, children. Beta, in last period we have studied chapter number 15. Okay. Then 16 and 17 are not in your syllabus this year. Then today we are going to start application of percentage, that is chapter number 18. Okay. In this chapter, beta, you already know what do you mean by percentage. Percentage means in every per 100 we are, suppose we are saying that from 25 students, okay, 5 students has passed the exam. Okay, then what is the meaning of percentage? Meaning of percentage is that, beta, if out of 25 5 are passed, okay, 5 have passed the exam, then if we consider out of 100 how many students will be decided as the pass. Okay, again listen what I am saying. If we are saying that out of 100, out of 25, out of 25, if 5 students are passed, okay, then out of 100 how many should be passed? How many should pass? This is known as the percentage. Means for every number we are considering it from the 100. We are thinking it from the 100. हम उसमें 100 के बारे में अज्यूम कर रहे हैं कि अगर 25 में से 5 पास हैं तो अगर 100 होते तो कितने पास होते. ओके, एंड द परसेंटेज साइन मीन्स बेटा, इफ सपोज आई एम राइटिंग 25%, दिस ऑलरेडी दिस चैप्टर यू आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम क्लास 5th, so nothing is new in this. Okay, but here we are going to solve the question in a advanced form now. Okay, we are going to implement the chapter. 25% means, beta, 25 upon 100. Okay, only this is the simple meaning of the chapter. Okay, now here we are going to start exercise 18.1. okay, see that what is the question now. 52% out of 25 students are good in science. Okay, so percentage means out of 100. See that good in science how many? Good in science 52%. So how many not good in science? Not good in science. How many of them they should be, beta? If we will decide from percentage, then how many of them they are not good in science? 100 minus 25, 100 minus 52%. That is, it means 48% students are not good in science. Okay, 52% out of 25 are good in science. Number of students good in science, good in science is equal to 52% of total. This much of students are good in science. 52% means, beta, 52 upon 100. Of means multiply. Total means how many? 25. Have you understood or not? Okay, maybe it will be clear to you now. Number of students good in science means, beta, 52% of total. है ना? Out whatever the total number is there, 52% of them they are good in science. Means percent means, beta, divided by 100. 25 4 ja 100. So it will be divided. So it will come, beta, 52 upon 4. In this way we will get the number of students those are good in science. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. How many students? 13 students are good in science. Okay, so how many of them they are not good in science? Not good in science is equal to total minus 13. Total is how much, beta? 25 minus 13 is equal to 12 students, and this will be your answer. So it is simple, beta, nothing is difficult in this question. Okay, now come to the next one. Beta, see that now what is the second question. A cricket team won 5 matches. Won 5 matches. Out of the total number of matches they played, we don't know how many matches they played. If their 1% is 25, means winning percent is 25, then how many matches did they play in all? Okay, so first of all you consider, let the number of matches played is equal to x. We don't know how many matches they played. Let the number of matches they played is equal to x. Okay, or 25% of this x is how much? 5. So 1% is equal to beta 1% is equal to 1% is 25. Okay, their winning percent is beta 25. And how much winning percent of total matches is how much coming beta? Is equal to 5 match they won, is equal to 5. है ना? Previously, now win percent beta 1% means how we don't know, total number of matches we don't know. Win percent means okay 25. Now win percent is 25. So 25% of total x is equal to beta 5. So 25 upon 100 of mean multiply x is equal to beta 5. Okay, now see that 25x upon 100, what I will write? 25x upon 100 is equal to 5. See that now. (25x upon 100 is equal to beta 5. Now do the cross multiplication. 25x, see that how I am doing cross multiplication. Okay, 25x, these two is equal to 100 into 5 is equal to 100 into 5. So x is equal to beta 100 into 5 divided by 25. 25 4 ja 100. X is equal to 5 4 the 20, and x what we have considered? Total number of matches. So how many total number of matches was beta? 20. And if you will take out 25% of 20, so your answer will come 5. It means we have cross checked our answer also. It means that is okay or that is correct. This will be your answer. Beta, see that now question number 3rd. And what is this question? Sukanto had rupees 6,000 left after spending 75% of his salary. Okay, how much amount he has? A percentage of amount he is spending 75%, and left amount is beta 6,000. Okay, so spending percent of salary is how much beta? 75%. Okay, amount percentage amount of saving is how much beta? Percentage amount of saving is beta 75% he is spending. So 100 minus 75, that will be how much beta? 25% only he is saving. Okay, so let the total salary is equal to beta x. Okay, if we will find 25% of x, then how much it will be beta? 6,000. 25% of total salary is equal to how much beta? 6,000 is remaining with him. Okay, in question he is saying that 25% he is saving of total salary, and that amount is 6,000. So in this way you will do. So 25% mean divided by 100 of means multiply total salary is we have taken as x is equal to beta 6,000. Okay, so 25 1 ja 25 or 25 4 ja 100. So x upon 4 is equal to 6,000. Okay, so x is equal to 6 4 ja 24,000 is his salary. Okay beta, so 25,000, divide it in 4 part. So in one part you will get as 6,000. Okay, so 6,000 only he is saving, and remaining 18,000 he is spending. So if you will take out the 75% of this 24,000, then it will come 18,000. It means 18,000 he is spending, and from 24,000 if 18,000 you will subtract, then you will get your answer as 6,000 beta. So in this way we can cross check the answers also. Okay, now see that beta, what is the next question? Question number 4. Okay, see that this now. If 50% girls in a class like chocolate ice cream, okay, let the total number of the girls will be 100%. Out of 50% are liking chocolate, and remaining and ice cream 30% like strawberry. So total 50 are liking beta chocolate, and 30% are liking strawberry. 50 plus 30 will be beta 80. 100 minus 80 means 20% girls will like other flavor. Okay, if the total number of the girls in the class are, yes beta, total number of girls are 60. Okay, we have to find that exact number of girls who like each type of flavor. Okay, see that girls like chocolate are 50%. Okay, then girls like strawberry, how many? 30%. Okay, so girls like other flavor, girls like other flavors will be how much beta? 100 minus 50 plus 30, and this will be totally in percentage. Okay, so 100 minus 80%, so how many it will be? 20%. Okay, then we have to find the each number, all types of the girls of each type of, those are liking each types of flavor. Okay, total number of girls are how many? Total girls are how much beta? 60. So you just this is nothing, so you just take exactly half of this, because 50% girls are liking chocolate. Okay, 50% of total likes which ice cream beta? Chocolate. That is 50% of total likes chocolate is equal to 50% means divided by 100, of means multiply, total is how much beta? 60. So make them cancel now. 6 5 the 30 girls. So in this way it will come. If orally also, if you will decide that you know that 50% of 60 will be, 50 means exactly half, so 50% of 60 will be 30 girls will like chocolate. Okay, this is your first part. Now second part is girls like strawberry. Girls like strawberry is equal to how much? 30% of total. So 30% means beta 30 upon 100 of total is how much beta? 60. 60. Okay, so make them cancel. 6 3 ja 18 girls. 18 girls will like beta which strawberry. Now the last percentage is remaining 20%. Third part, or directly you can separate because exactly 30 girls will remain with it. क्योंकि यहाँ पर कितनी बची होंगी 30. 60 का हाफ था 30 को तो सीधे चॉकलेट पसंद है. अब कितनी बची 30. उन 30 में से भी 18 को कौन सा फ्लेवर पसंद है बेटा स्ट्रॉबेरी. अब 30 माइनस 18 कर दो तो 12 गर्ल आना चाहिए लास्ट वाले का आंसर. यू शुड गेट 12 गर्ल. बट आई एम सॉल्विंग दिस ऑल्सो. Okay, so by the any method the last part you can do, but I am solving it by the percentage method. So girls like other flavor is equal to 20%. That is 20% of total, है ना, because from the total only we can calculate. So 20 upon 100 of means multiply, total is how much 60. This cancel by this one by this, 6 to the 12 girls. So if you will total all the girls 12, 18 and 30 beta, if you are getting your the total number of girls you was given, that is 60, it means your total is correct. Okay, so in this way if we will total them, then our answer is coming correctly. Hence these are your answers. Okay, yes beta. Now see that question number 5th one. And what is that question? The value of a flat increased by 10% every year. If its present value is rupees 33 lakh, find its value after 2 years. Okay, then every year if its value is increasing beta. Okay, value present value is how much beta? Present value is 33 lakh. Okay, and first year, after first year what will be its value? After first year it will increase beta 10%. So 33 lakh, okay, multiplied by 10 or upon 100. Okay, see that what it will come. This much of value it will increase. Okay, so after first year value will be, after first year value how much it will be? 33 lakh. Okay, 33 lakh and how much? This much of value 3 lakh and 30,000 it will be increased. Okay, see that what value will be 36,000, 36 lakh and 30,000 it will be now. Okay, now afterwards see that for second year this will be the present value, है ना, this will be the current value for second year. For second year current value will be, for second year current value will be is equal to 363. Okay, after 10% increase in value, how much it will be beta? 3 6 3 1 2 3 4. Okay, multiplied by 10 or upon 100. So these two will become cancel. So this will be the interest, है ना, increase in value 363. So see that after second year value will be beta 363 36 lakh 30,000, okay, plus this increase in value 3, 6 or 3. So what will be the after 2 years, what will be its value? 39 lakh 93,000. This will be after 2 years. See that how we have calculated, beta. First previously current value was this, then after first year 10% increment will be, and 10% value is coming this. So this was previous value plus increase in value, so it will be after first year. This will be the current value for the second year, है ना. In the second year it will be the current value, and again 10% increment for the second year, it will be in this value. So take out its 10%, okay. It was current value for the second year, and add this 10% in it, but the answer will come, that will be your final answer. But still your question has not completed, okay. Only the one part of the question you have complete. Now see that find its value after 2 years, okay. After 2 years we have find what was its value a year earlier, 1 year earlier, what was its value, okay. If suppose 33 lakh is its current value, then 1 year before was what was its value, okay. See that second part. Let before 1 year value was x, okay. So x plus 10% of x, है ना, previous year value plus 10% of that value will be the current value, है ना, current value. In this way we will get the previous value. Suppose previous value was x and 10% increment was implemented in this value, then it was become the current value, okay. So x was x plus 10% means beta 10 upon 100 of x means multiplied by x is equal to how much? 33 lakh, okay. So it will be beta 100 10x plus 1x, 10x plus 1x, 11x upon 10 is equal to beta 33 lakh, okay. So x is equal to beta 33 lakh multiplied by 10 divided by 11. So it will be the 1 year earlier value. 11 3 ja 33. See that what answer will come. It is coming 3 lakh multiplied by 10. So it will be 30 lakh beta. lakh, okay. See that we have to find 1 year earlier value what was. So current value we have given 33 lakh. So suppose previous value was x और in x 10% x में 10% का इंक्रीमेंट हुआ होगा, इंक्रीज हुआ होगा, तो फिर इस साल उसकी वैल्यू कितनी हो गई होगी? 33 लाख. बट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट वी हैव डन. सो मेक इट कैंसिल 0 by 0. 10x plus 1x, 11x upon 10 is equal to 33 lakh. So x is equal to 33 lakh into 10 upon 11 and it will come 3 lakh. So in this way beta both the part of the question we have solved. Okay. Now see that beta question number 6th. Find the volume of oxygen in a room measuring 6 meter into 5 meter into 4 meter. Okay. Volume of room, first of all you will calculate volume of room. Volume of, because it will be in cuboid shape, just now surface area and volume you have learned. Volume of room is equal to beta length into breadth into height. Okay, so length is 6 meter into 5 meter into 4 meter. 6 5 ja 30 और 34 ja 120 meter cube. Okay, it will be volume. Beta, in any room the volume of air is always equal to the volume of room. Again listen, in any room or in any container, the volume of air will be equal to the volume of that container. Okay, so volume of air is equal to volume of room. But in this room, air contains how much beta? Is equal to 20. No, so not only air contains 21% oxygen. Air contains 21% oxygen. Okay, total air will be of equal to the volume, but 21% oxygen of total volume. Okay, total V means volume. So 21% meter, 21 upon 100 multiplied by total volume is 120. Okay, so volume of oxygen will be fine. Volume of oxygen is equal to 21%, 21 divided by 100. Okay, so make them cancel. Okay, 2 6 ja 12 or 2 5 ja 10, 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12 upon 5. Now make them divide. So beta, if you will divide, it will be in meter cube. So if you will divide it, it will come 25.2 meter cube. Volume of oxygen. Volume of oxygen. Okay. What we have done? First of all, we have find the volume of room, and because volume of not air is equal to all, in volume of air in any room is equal to volume of room, but air contains 21% oxygen of total volume. So 21 upon 100 multiplied by 120, and whatever will come, that will be your answer. Now come to the question number 7. Now see that beta, question number 7. Bihan's salary increased by 10% on promotion. Okay, let the previous salary was, suppose previous salary was X. Okay, and after increasing 10%, so salary plus 10% of salary, how much he is getting now? 77,000. So previous salary was X, and if his previous salary and 10% of his salary, because this is increment, if you will add them, how much it is becoming? 77,000. So salary was X plus 10% means 10 upon 100 multiplied by X is equal to 77,000. So how much? X plus 10 1 ja 10, 10 10 ja 100. X upon 10 is equal to beta 77,000. So 10x or plus x, how much it will be? 11x upon 100. See that now. 11x upon 10 is equal to 77,000. So x is equal to 77,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 11. 11 7 ja 77. It will be 7,000. So 7x is equal to 7,000 multiplied by 10 is equal to 70,000. Okay, so this will be your answer. How we have done? Maybe if you will take out the 70,000, 10% it will become 7,000, and previous salary was 70,000, and if 10% you will include in this salary, then it will become his new salary. So in this way orally also you can check your answer. Okay, then in today's class beta we are concluding. Okay, till here you will complete, and then in next class again we will meet with the new exercise.